Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Revolut Junior account. So the Junior account is not created in the regular Revolut application, so you have to download another application to create a Junior Revolut account. So open your App Store or Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to type in Revolut less than 18, this sign, click on it, and you'll be able to see Revolut less than 18 application. And this one is to create the Junior account. Click on open. Now this is the main interface, the layout of the application. If you already have an account, you can log in, but if you're new, then you have to select create a new account. Then you have to enter the date of birth of your child, of the person that you want to create account for. And for example, I will enter 25th December 2011. Click on continue. Now you have to select the country of residence because you will get personalized features based on your location. Select the country, and it should also match the country of the parent of the person that you want to create the Junior account for. So click on continue and then enter the phone number of your kid, of the Junior person that you want to create account for. So enter the number, click on sign up, and that's how basically you can sign up and create a Revolut Junior account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.